Hey again, this is Nick with the Happen Group. Today I'm going to show you how to remove mold from your AC vent. When you have molds growing on your vent, it's usually due to condensation accumulating on the AC vent that traps dust and other particles that are floating around inside the home. Before we begin, there are a couple items that we need. We need some detergent, dust mask, gloves, eye protection, and a scrubbing pad. Also, we're going to need a HEPA vacuum to help capture all the spores that are on the surface of the vent. The first step in the process is to use the HEPA vacuum to carefully clean the surface of the vent. This will help to stop the spores from dispersing in the air while you clean. The next step in the process is to prepare your detergent solution. In this case, I'm using just some Dawn dishwashing liquid with water. Next, just dip your sponge in a cleaning solution and begin to wipe the surface of the vent. Continue to wipe the vent until it's visibly clean. After that, you can just allow it to air dry, and then that's it. As always, thank you for watching. For more tips on how to deal with mold growing in your home, feel free to subscribe for more videos.